Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you all the secret and hidden codes on your Samsung Galaxy A17. You may not know about this, but there are some hidden or secret codes on your phone that will let you access some hidden features or hidden settings or find some hidden info about your phone. And these codes are entered in the phone dial. But before we get into that, you need to make sure that in settings, if you go to security and privacy, you have auto blocker disabled. The auto blocker has to be disabled, and then you can go to the phone dial, go to keypad, right, and dial the first number, *##06#. This is for checking your IMEI number. IMEI number is your unique device identifier. You can see I have two because the phone supports dual SIM, and like every SIM has to have, like, every device that supports a SIM has to have an IMEI number as a unique identifier on the GSM network, and that lets you check many different things. If you go to, for example, a website called IMEI.Info, and you can check your IMEI, or you can check the IMEI of a phone you're trying to buy, or you can give that IMEI to a person that's trying to buy your phone, and they can check it on the IMEI.info website. Now let's get to the next code. This is going to be *O**#. Now this is the test mode. I'm gonna lower the brightness here so you can see everything a little bit better, because it's like on the full brightness currently. And you can see I can, for example, test the color green on my display and see that everything in green displays correctly. But also you can test touch capacities and try going around those squares. If you pass everything, then it's great, because you know that your display works. I think it's extremely useful in some moments when you're not sure about your display working properly. Then there are also other things like, let's see, the front cam. You can test it out as well. If it doesn't work properly, you can take a picture here, see if it works that way. Sometimes you need to click on back twice so it goes back here, by the way. Yeah, and there's way more into that. I'm just gonna go back and let's go to the next code. The next code is for USB settings, and once you enter *##0808#, you go into USB settings, and now you can set it to MTP or RNDIS plus ACM plus DM. And just so you understand, that MTP is just a standard protocol for sending data, and RNDIS plus ACM plus DM are for like more networking and diagnostic tools via USB. So if you need those tools, then you can switch to that RNDIS plus ACM plus DM mode. Now let's click on OK, and let's go to the next secret code, which is going to be *##1234#. And here you have the software version. You have the AP, the CP, these are and CSC. If you're ever trying to flash the device with like custom firmware. This is very, very useful because here you can see the firmware version and the model. So yeah, this is extremely useful if you're trying to flash the device, or maybe in the future there will be a video about bypassing FRP on this phone, and there's a chance you also may need that number for it. So this is one of the places where you can find it. You can also find these numbers in the recovery mode on the phone. And now let's get to the next code, which is going to be advanced firmware version by *2663#. And this is the advanced firmware version, so you can see here like a bit more. I clicked on update, and I don't know what's updating right now because I don't really like use the advanced firmware version mode, so yeah, it's doing something I guess. Yeah, I'll just get back to you when it's done. Okay, like it did something, I guess. Now let's get to the last secret code, which is *0011#. And now this is the service mode. You can find different things here, different data, like network connection details or some other things. So let's go to stack 1. You can see some network info probably. Yeah, it's like LTE, stuff like that. And I can go back, I can go into that again. And I can also select stack 2, and there's gonna be some other info. So sometimes you may need that. I hope that this video was helpful. Let me know in the comments down below which of the codes is your favorite one. Honestly, my favorite one is the *#O*# for test menu. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.